into you. I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst night.
Hey guys, it's your boy Payne, and Happy New Year's Day. It's now 2022, and I am so excited to bring you a reaction. And when I saw this thumbnail, I thought, I need to do a reaction video, because this looks, and what I feel like it's going to sound, it just sounds like something I would react to. And this video is called Dads Destroying Son's PS4. This is the video right here, as you can see from the video. And yes, let's react to this in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, I know you want to watch that video, but don't press that skip button.
Ads.
Seriously.
Yes, I'm going to skip it. I don't care. Skip.
Violence. Video games don't make...
Right. So, let's get into this in 3, 2, 1.
Video games don't make kids violent. They make parents violent.
Holy shit.
In this Japanese family, the noisy son constantly disrespects his rather violent father.
Jesus Christ.
To the point where his continuous noise drives the man to take his son's most prized possession.
He's taking his PS4. Oh no. Shit.
And smashes the shit out of it. The son manages to scrape together enough cash to buy a new PlayStation.
Don't slam it, fucking hell. I haven't actually seen the
But
full clip. I've
continues
only
to
seen
shout,
a little
causing
part of
his
it.
dad to enter once again.
Oh shit. Is that this
You would
monkey
think he would be
Nicky Mugwort?
quieter now after that warning. But no.
Oh shit. Ah! Ah! Jesus Christ! You fucking paid for it! You should pay for that back, man. That is actually mad. Like, PS4s are like
The son is
£200.
obviously very upset and plots his revenge. When his father comes back from work,
Yeah, go on.
he decides to destroy his
Smashes.
father's scooter in payback.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, go on! Jesus! Hey! Go on!
Coaxing his friend into helping, who is the one caught in the act.
This is what you get for breaking my PS4, bitch! What? And what? Oh, shit.
This is your typical American family where eldest son MC Juggernuggets sets up a
God.
camera to record his sibling playing Xbox, something that their father had forbidden him to do.
What the hell are you doing? No.
Was this scripted? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. He's gonna die.
Don't touch your fucking dude. I told you before about this. You made that. You're not going to destroy it.
How many times did you know shit?
Holy shit! He throws it in the pool, but his son apparently does not learn his lesson.
Get a job. Get a life.
Oh boy.
Get a job. What is it out of your room?
Oh shit. He's
So
not
the
gonna.
man
He's not gonna run him
lawnmowers
over
over
with that.
all of his games. For revenge, however,
What
the
the
son
hell?
gets his brother to film him pranking his father.
Yeah, go on. What's he gonna do?
What the fuck, dude? I didn't even say go.
Oh shit.
What's he gonna do?
I didn't know the plane was still
Christ.
on. I was trying to get you back for the prank. I didn't know they were on.
His dad quickly gets the upper hand, blaming the outburst on video games.
Violence in video games, isn't it? Cause you to do stuff like this.
Oh my
You're
God.
not. Get away. Put it back. What are you chainsaw me? What are you? Dad! Dad!
Oh shit.
Dad!
Oh shit. No! No!
And destroys once again his console.
Dad!
This next father
What
had
the
received
fuck
an
did I
email
just
that his
watch?
son was about to fail the semester. So he told him to buck up his ideas, study, and no playing video games.
This is what I don't understand, right? About parents in America, right? They care so much about their kids getting good grades, becoming a doctor, nurse, police officer, ambulance person, whatever. And they put so much pressure on them to do that. And when they don't do well, they take their anger out on their kids for not doing well. Like, in England, I think that is less. Like, obviously your parents want you to do well, but they're not gonna break your shit for not passing a test or an exam or anything like that. It's fucking mental. Literally, it's fucking mental.
But he just couldn't keep his hands off the console.
He's playing Xbox.
Yes, he is.
Does
know-
it matter, man?
I don't have time for this right now. You've got to be kidding me.
Oh boy.
That kid just does not
Does it?
understand.
Oh, why does it matter so much, man?
What are you doing? Playing a game. Playing a game.
I don't get
Didn't
it,
I
man.
say I don't want you on Xbox?
Well, yeah, but I mean, I got
You got an email from the teacher a couple days ago saying you're failing one of your classes.
I mean, if he's failing, then this would make sense, but just don't break the console, literally. Because if the son or daughter paid for it, then they're gonna have to pay for it back. It's unfair, but if your child is failing, let them know that they're failing, but like, don't stick it in their face like, oh, because they failed, that means they're a bad person. But that's not true. But yeah, this does make sense, but just don't break your kids' stuff. It's just not fair at all. Literally, it's not fair.
This is it. This is the end of the semester.
I know. Well, it's almost done. It's almost done.
Okay.
Right.
Fair enough.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
His father appears to be angry, but has amazing self-control and rather unrealistically plans to barbecue the console in the evening.
What do you mean?
Oh boy.
What are you doing?
Oh no.
This isn't normal, man. Why are you doing this?
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh.
There you go. That's
I know this video might sound a bit dark because it's dads destroying sons' PlayStations on New Year's Day. Right, I just saw this thumbnail. I was like, I'll watch this, make a reaction video, and yeah, it'll be fun to do.
what you get.
Shoot.
You're gonna listen to me?
Are you kidding
I'm
me?
tired of playing games with you. I'm tired of playing games with you.
That's I do not care. Let's go back a little
There you
bit.
go. That's what you get. You're
Shoot.
gonna listen to me?
Are you kidding
I'm
me?
tired of playing games with you. I'm tired of playing games with you.
Bad irony.
And now we see the strange parenting
Oh,
of the
no.
Daddy-O.
These parents, oh my fucking god. They went to prison, or they got their children taken away because they kept pranking their youngest son, kept accusing him of breaking shit or making a mess and stuff like that, and literally shouting in this kid's face. Like, it's child abuse at that point. But those are old videos. But still, I think they don't have custody over them. And they even got into the news at one point in America, not over here. But yeah, it's disgusting how someone can just treat your children and just swear in their face like they're nothing. It's ridiculous. Seriously.
5 family. When one of their children is grounded for being bad, they argue around him about what his punishment should have been.
He's not going outside for the rest of the week. That's punishment. Well, what's your solution?
Bust it!
Really bust it?
Don't take his stuff!
Look, it's going in the rock!
After a strange domestic
This is what my parents are like. They literally argue over me. Like, what's the point? Literally, what's the point?
fight between them both,
Jesus Christ. They're whipping each other with belts. Oh God.
Because of you! Look at all this
And then they just bust in like that.
because of you!
now in pain, Daddy 05 suddenly decides to throw all of his son's possessions out of his window.
What the fuck? He just tossed that shit!
Of his
Let's look back at
window,
that. He literally just tossed it. What the fuck?
leaving the boy pretty perplexed as to what the hell is going on.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Damn!
He's literally tossing all the shit. And like I said, he put all the anger onto his son because they were arguing about what his punishment should be. That's nuts. That's actually nuts.
His dad obviously then feels bad and buys him a new PlayStation.
You did?
Yes.
Good.
Look.
A solid lesson there for us all.
Why did you buy that? All for being bad today? What the hell?
2 things wrong and you'll get a new toy.
Come here, look what I got.
This next Portuguese father is very relaxed, unlike his
Oh God,
son,
the
screaming in
PS3.
disbelief as his tranquil father snatches up his PlayStation and informs him that lunch is going to take a while. Slightly confused, he
Oh,
then
no,
gets
he's-
it as
he's
his
not gonna put
father
it in the
tosses
oven
it into
or
the
whatever that
barbecue.
thing's called. Don't turn it on.
He then
Oh, God.
throws the controller into the pool before pushing in his son. Throws the controller
pushed his
into the
son?
pool before pushing in his son.
Oh, that's just not fair, man.
Even through his son's agony, he still keeps his sense of humour like only a true dad can.
He burnt his PS3. His son's PS3.
It's hard to know whether the angry
RIP, angry grandpa. He passed away from cancer, I believe.
grandpa was a planned show or just a genuinely angry and reactionary old But what we do know is that his own and his family's reactions certainly look genuine. Angry that his son didn't come round to bake Christmas cookies,
What
he
the
smashes his son's console to pieces. And the coffee table.
fuck? What the fuck? Now you want me to all of this over cookies, that is actually nuts. I feel sorry for this guy here. Over cookies, man. That's just sad. Oh.
Do you like to make gameplays? Enter
Yes.
our monthly gameplay tournament and win real money. The best gameplay takes home the loot. Check it out. And subscribe.
And talking about gaming, I have a gaming channel called Nefarious _ not 59 58. This is my gaming channel. Ooh, and I've got 10 subscribers. I started off playing South Park, The Fractured Butthole, which should be up today, hopefully. And yeah, if you guys liked this reaction video of dads destroying son's PS4, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you lot in the next video. Peace.